This video is to show you how to change your crankcase filter on this ISX Cummins. So I noticed I've got quite a bit of oil leak coming from the front of the engine. Not sure if you can see here, but oil was just all over. And so I discovered that this is the crankcase filter on this model here, and so we're about to change it. So I'm going to remove this clamp right here for the that's coming off from the intercooler or the air to air, and then remove all these nuts around here, these bolts, and replace the filter. All right, so I'm going to get onto that. So we're going to need the filter, and here's the crankcase filter, and the part number on the box is CV15000, and the tools I'm going to need to change the filter are a Torx T30, which is this here, and a socket, an 8mm socket, and the ratchets, of course. So on the filter itself, we're just removing these outer bolts here, and we have 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. We are going to remove those, and again removing this clamp first from the air to air intake line. You can find the replacement part number on the box or the outer cover of the crankcase filter itself, and that's where I got my number, my part number, to purchase it at the parts store. You can purchase it at any Kenworth or Peterbilt or dealership, and or in a parts store for that matter, that carries this part. Now you can also purchase the part on Amazon. I noticed I could locate it there on Amazon, so it's about 80 to about $115 Canadian for that filter. So I've removed all the bolts right around the unit, and so I'm gonna try to take it off. So here it is. I've removed the cover, and I'm gonna take this filter out, and I notice that after I remove the filter, that I have the oil dripping under the bottom here. See, this filter was really clogged with oil. You see oil on the ground, and here's the outer cover, and notice there's quite a bit of oil in there as well. So that was causing that oil leak all over my engine. So here it is. I removed the cover and removed the filter, and now I'm just gonna replace the filter. I've taken out the old one, and I'm gonna put the new one in now, and then just reassemble the truck. Again, everything was just straightforward. I've taken out the filter. See, just easy to remove and easy to replace. It's just like that. And now I never had to take this air intake line off completely, because I just need a little wiggle room, so I was able to take the crankcase filter box off, and so I needed that little space, just that little wiggle room, and so that was quite easy to take off. And so we're just gonna put the cover back on and just put the bolts on, and then that will be it. Also, just remember to dry out inside the crankcase filter box itself. There was quite a bit of oil in there, and so that's how it's done. That's how you replace your crankcase filter, and hopefully there'll be no more leak, no more oil leak.